Hey everyone, it's Paulo at WTI, and if you have been in the market for a new robot vacuum that mops like I was, listen up and you are gonna want a Tineco instead, and I will tell you why. For starters, I have a house with little kids and we cannot do a robot vacuum because you basically have to babysit it and make sure that there is nothing on the floor so that it can work. And guess what? When you have kids, there's always something on the floor. Second, a lot of the ones that I was looking at seem to do light mopping, but in general, I needed heavy duty, big spill mopping on a regular basis. And this is perfect because I am able to direct it exactly where I need it and not worry about directing a robot eventually to that zone. So I have never had my floors this clean until now, and I am in shock every single time I pour out the water. It is so satisfyingly nasty. And I am telling you, it is almost like an addiction to see how clean you can get your floors once you get one of these. So if you are a parent, I am telling you, you do not want a robot vacuum. What you want is one of these, and your floors will never be the same. You're gonna want the Tineco One S3 because this will detect between wet messes and dry messes on its own. The smart display also tells you if you're running low on water, but the nice thing is that it will verbally tell you as well so that you do not have to worry about burning your motor or anything. And this model in particular has the self-cleaning function, which is huge. I opted for that because I knew that was one step that would make it a lot easier for me to use this on a regular basis. So I highly, highly recommend it. If you are looking for a way to make your chores at home easier, this is definitely going to be an amazing helper. And that is just my point of view.